welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Miranda Frye unboxing. Recently I purchased some jewelry from there, so I figured why not unbox it on camera. So if that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. So I've been trying to up my jewelry game for some time, and I was just looking for a company that had really cute, delicate pieces that I could add, but it wouldn't be too overbearing for any outfit. It could literally just be versatile and go with everything, and I was so happy when I found this company because I absolutely love their pieces. This video isn't sponsored, but Miranda Frye, if you're out there and you want to sponsor your girl, then be sure to hit me up because I would love to partner with you. So all of their pieces are plated with 18 karat gold, so it's not something that's going to tarnish very easily, although they do recommend that you not wear it in water or apply it after, you know, your perfumes have dried and there's no oils around, just to make sure that your pieces do last a very long time. I'm so tired of purchasing jewelry that after a couple of wears they're dingy looking and just not wearable anymore. So I'm so happy about this. I'll be sure to give you guys an update, but today we're gonna just be doing an unboxing. So I've wanted this jewelry for about 2 years now, but I wanted to make sure that I was staying within my budget, and for a long time it hasn't been. I actually saved up this money through my Christmas sinking fund, and I was just super busy around that time, so I completely forgot the money was sitting there. And with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought it was a perfect time to treat myself. So I'm so happy. Let's get into the pieces. So I purchased 6 pieces. So I had 2 different packages. One had 2 of my chains and 2 of my charms, and then another package had another charm, and then I also purchased a care pack. So we're gonna get into each one of those, and you guys are gonna get my first impressions live because I'm gonna be unboxing everything on camera. So the first thing that I purchased was the MF Care Pack. I'm going to quickly just read a product description off of their website. So the MF Care Pack is thoughtfully designed and function as a go-to for all your jewelry care needs, consisting of a zippered pouch, individual baggies with anti-tarnish squares included for either gold or silver. So this is just a package that kind of you could put all your jewelry in and it prevents them from tarnishing. I tend to travel a lot, so this is perfect for me, and I also don't want any of my jewelry to tarnish, so I thought it was just a good thing to buy. So this is the care pack. This didn't come wrapped, but I think it's so cute, and it's so easy to just put in a travel bag. So let me open it up. So this is just a list of their care conditions. I kind of touched on that a little bit in the beginning of the video. And then these are the individual baggies with the anti-tarnish square. So that's what it looks like. So I got 10 of these and a polishing cloth. I think this is really great value. The whole entire package was $22, and I think it's perfect for travel. It's super sleek. I can just zip up my jewelry and put it in either my travel bag or my carry-on. So I think this will just be so great. And this is what the cloth looks like. The polishing cloth. So I don't know what's in here, but look at their tissue paper. It has the Miranda Frye emblem all over it, the logo all over it. So this has a necklace, and it looks like some of my charms in here. So let's get into the necklace. So this is the Lindsay necklace, and I'm gonna take it out the box. So this is what it looks like. As I mentioned, all of their jewelry is super dainty, and this is exactly what I was looking for. And I purchased 3 charms that will actually go on this necklace. So let's get into the charms. I think 2 of them are in here. So this is the wrist charm. It's supposed to play off of a compass. I think it's just so beautiful. So I got the wrist charm for $37.80, and this is what the wrist charm looks like on the Lindsay. I also purchased this hexagon charm. It has little cubic zirconians going around, and then it has a C in the middle. C is obviously for my name, Courtney. So yes, I'm super happy about this. I used to have a name team when I was younger, and I was thinking about getting another one recently, but I thought this was great. This was only $32.40, so I thought it was definitely a good buy. And this is what the hexagon charm looks like on the Lindsay. And this is my next one. I think the Mackenzie chain is in here. I'm so excited. This was sold out for over 6 months. Like, I've been checking online and it just hasn't been there. That was actually one of the reasons why I didn't get it during Christmas, because I wanted to buy everything all at the same time. So I'm so excited to try this one on. This was $84 originally, and I got it for $75.60. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. The Mackenzie chain isn't one of the chains that I would wear with one of the charms, but I just think it's such a beautiful piece and I can't wait to wear it. And this is what the Mackenzie chain looks like on me. And the last thing I purchased was a cross charm. This is what it looks like. This was $32.40. My faith is something that is super important to me, and I was looking for a cross for some time. So when I saw this, I figured, why not just purchase it? It wasn't in my original order, but I went back and got it once I did see it on the add to your bag. So I was super excited about this one, and I can't wait to wear it. This is what the cross charm looks like on the Lindsay chain. And this is what the Mackenzie looks like layered with the Lindsay. So altogether, I spent $277.40. I'm so excited. I think that is such a great deal for all of the pieces that I got. Once again, I think it's just investing a little bit more in some pieces so that way you're not constantly buying jewelry that's going to tarnish. So I'm very, very excited. I'll be sure to give you guys an update on how the jewelry does as I continue to wear it over time. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.